So we're gonna set both the lens shooting at 4K 24 and the ISO setting to 100 and 1/60th. So let's start this. Okay, maybe we shall go up in 3 times. Okay, let's get this done, and we shall set the white balance to, let's manual the white balance so that I don't get it running around everywhere. What is my white balance now? 5009 for white balance. 5008 is the best. Okay, so even for, so let's do this and fly up and get the 3 times. Let's take off now.
Take off.
So satellite is ready, so let's make sure I have bypass, control, camera, transmission. Okay, return to high altitude 100 meters, max height 500 meters, and then let's bring it down to 300 meters for max height. I can go to 1000, you can see that. So let's go up and then have a look and see. But let's point it towards where this sun is. Let's go up gradually. Does it look too bright? That's where it is. The sun is up. It does look too bright, right? Because I'm shooting 1/60th of a second. A beautiful sunrise. It does look too bright. Let's change it to 3 times and see how the difference is. Yep, it's still too bright. So we may have to bring down the shutter speed to 1/60th. And let's see how it looks like on that as well. Okay, 1/60th looks nice. Let's continue with this. Let's bring it up. Has some green dots, lens flare there, right? So look at the beautiful. Okay, I have a nice water area here, catchment area. Let's go towards there and grab some photos from that side. So beautiful. Am I at the where the sun is? Okay, that's where it is. Let's put it back here and pull it back. Let's pull it back to get the sunrise, and the green dots are all over the lens. Okay, can you see the drone now? Okay, I can see. There's the drone there. Okay, so hopefully I'm not above any car roads, so don't hang out at the roads area. It's a bit dark, can't see, because let's see what's down there. Okay, it's trees, so it's fine. So let's do 1/60th. Bring the camera back up. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, that looks nice. Let's get a shot of this. Right, just where the water is, and let's take some photos of this. Okay, for that I need to change it to 48 megapixel, and then let's do nice shots of this. Let's take a shot of a wide angle shot, and let's go to manual setting. One to 100 looks nice. Shutter speed 1 to 200. 1 to 320 looks nice. 3 to 240. Okay, let's do this. This looks nice. We can brighten up the ground after that. It's not an issue. Right, let's bring the camera up a bit. That looks better. There's the sunrise. So beautiful mountain area. And let's do 3 times. Let's bring it up. And 3 times I need to again 100 and bring it the shutter down a bit. 500 looks nice. Bring the camera up. Okay, that looks great. So the tints is helping in terms of both cameras are quite equal. Okay, so let's do a Pano out of this. Let's change it to Pano. Where is my Pano? And let's do a 180 Pano. Okay, let's do that. The ISO is on auto again, right? So hopefully it's balanced out, right, when they stitch together, and no streaks of lines all over. Beautiful day, sun is coming out nicely, and that's the panel. That's how it looks like stitching. Okay, let's do a wide panel. The green dot is there, so this is the lens design, can't be helped. So you point it direct at the sun, you get lens issue. So I can't keep this too much long at the sun, better not do that. And let's do a wide angle again, and then this time it's wider, and then we'll do a 360 after this. Yeah, let it stitch. Sunrise beautiful. Let's do a 360, and that's it. So you can see the sunrise coming out very bright. So I gotta get the drone out of the sun before I kill the sensor. So after this 360, we will bring it, fly around, and then bring it back. Oh, I should take a picture of the other side, right? Let's turn it around and take a picture of the other side. So beautiful, beautiful sun. The green dot you need to manually touch up, right? So I'm not gonna point it at the, better start turning it. Don't point it at the sun too much, else I'll lose my sensor. Look at this side, such a beautiful day. That's where all the buildings are. So now I can bring it back again, bring it back, so that I can get all the buildings in. And that's where the clouds are, that's where the buildings are. So we want to see how sharp the lens is. Let's turn it back to just normal shot, single shot, right? So wow, why is it so? Yeah, better do the wide, right? Better do the pano, because that's wider. And then let's do just the wide angle, right? Let's do the wide angle. So it's under, so let's increase the brightness then. So shutter speed, yeah, let's reduce 1/60th, 1/20th. Okay, that should be better. And let's do the done. Okay, that's a very nice shot, right? So hopefully I'm shooting 48 megapixel, because I always miss that. So these are the buildings we're looking at. That's where the shot is. And then we shall switch it back to video, and then do change it back to video, and then let's start bring it down a bit, and then let's start flying around. That's where the sun is. Let's bring it back again. Too dark, right? So never mind. We're just playing around, testing out the filter, and that's how it looks like. And let's keep it there. And I want to show you how the filter looks like when I change it to 3 times. Is it still the same exposure rate? Yep, so it's the same exposure rate, right? So 3 times is -1 and -0.3 on the f2.8. So that's a beautiful shot. Let's bring it back, and then that's it. Just want to test out the filter, how it goes, and let's bring it home. Return to home.
Return to home.
So set everything back to auto when you return to home. The camera down. That's where I am. It's gonna land. You can hear it. There it goes.
Landing.
Yeah. So let's bring the camera up again. When it's landing, look at the sun. That's it. That's where the sun is. Beautiful day. Oh, let's cancel landing to home first. Alright, this looks nice, right? So let's do a 3 times shot of the sun. And then a 1 time shot of the sun. Okay, we shall bring it down and then let's land this thing. Okay,
Landing.
there it goes. So that's all, folks. Hope you like it. Just testing out the filter. That's how the filter looks like. So I'll see you. Have a nice day. Bye.